The natural cycle of water ends where it begins, and the treatment of wastewater forms an integral part of the water cycle, playing a critical role. Water is the substance of life. In Gauteng, it is as apparent as anywhere in South Africa. Highly developed and densely populated, the region we call home places a great burden on this precious natural resource. So much so that water must be imported from the mountain kingdom of Lesotho in order to quench the thirst of people and be utilized in industrial processes. ERWAT offers excellence in wastewater, aimed at reducing the impact of people and industry on this precious resource and continue that eternal cycle. Organizations that recognize and place great emphasis on water reuse and our need to conserve water turn to ERWAT, relying on our experience and expertise to minimize water wastage and to treat and improve the quality of their wastewater. Serving both the public and private sectors from our headquarters in Kempton Park, ERWAT promotes a healthy environment by providing cost-effective wastewater treatment solutions. Our experience stretches back to 1992, and the expertise that we have developed covers a wide range of industries and processes. That expertise covers a vast array of disciplines among ERWAT's proud staff, from scientists and engineers to managers, administrators, and artisans. As you would expect, we provide bulk wastewater management both in conveyance and treatment. The majority of our operations are in the area of the city of Ekurhuleni, servicing more than 3.5 million people and some 8,000 industries. ERWAT's 19 wastewater care works treat some 700 megaliters of wastewater per day during the dry season and up to 1,000 megaliters per day during the wet season. That is approximately 400 full Olympic-sized swimming pools per day. Conveyancing those volumes requires a distance of nearly 600 kilometers of pipeline, with the largest being almost 2 meters in diameter. Keeping up with this growing demand means we have a continuing program of upgrading and expanding ERWAT's plants. Due to the rapidly growing population, ERWAT's biggest challenge is to ensure enough capacity to meet the ever-increasing demand for wastewater treatment and sludge management. ERWAT constantly explores the introduction of new proprietary technologies and has implemented some advanced technologies such as the Narada and the Highback systems in the treatment process, and will soon be piloting full automations and online condition monitoring. Other water treatment technologies currently in use are activated sludge and a biofilter process. Supporting these and other initiatives shows a renewed investment in research and development by ERWAT. But operating wastewater treatment works is not where ERWAT's capabilities end. ERWAT is strategically positioned to provide its clients with water and wastewater solutions through ERWAT Commercial Business that is performing work for and actively pursuing new opportunities in the private sector. We have the capacity to offer a range of services, from total operation and management of treatment plants to construction and project management, as well as training and laboratory testing. Many clients choose ERWAT to manage their wastewater treatment in its entirety. This allows them to focus on their business while we take care of the environmental impact. This offering is an all-in-one package solution that includes consulting, focused facilities design implementation, and continuing management and operations. These clients include, amongst others, organizations in the mining, food and beverage, paint and chemical type waste, pulp and power, and energy. ERWAT can place at our clients' disposal an array of technical services to support their plants, as we do for our own. The services offered by our commercial business wing include the provision of various consulting services, performing process audits, advising on process designs and equipment and technology selection, training of plant and laboratory staff, scientific laboratory services, operating and maintaining wastewater treatment plants as well as industrial effluent treatment plants, provision of tankering services with qualified teams for sludge and spillage management, development, drafting and implementation of policies and bylaws, upgrading and preparation of laboratories for accreditation. We are constantly seeking to improve through research, innovation and development the processes we use to ensure a quality end product. ERWAT's laboratory facility offers clients a variety of ISO 17025 accredited testing services, ensuring strict quality control and test results of the highest quality and validity. The laboratory is capable of handling high numbers of samples, and the scope of testing spans a variety of water and wastewater matrices. Naturally, ERWAT prides itself in sustainable business practices and therefore acts responsibly toward the environment, our stakeholders and the community, especially those living nearby the plants we operate. Our involvement in socio-economic initiatives such as education of communities, water awareness programs, bursaries and promoting small, medium and micro enterprises demonstrates our commitment to building thriving and sustainable communities. Passing on the wealth of knowledge we have gained means we offer industry-specific training in both the scientific, operating and engineering fields. At our training facilities, people will learn from our experience as we impart our skills and, above all, our core values to them. This legacy link in our chain of expertise brings full circle our professional services as we care for our limited natural water resources, ensuring that ever more water ends as it began. ERWAT. Excellence in wastewater.